Hello and welcome to another exciting video of Vice Fuzz. Have you ever wondered what the future of art could look like? Well, wonder no more because OpenAI has just unveiled their latest creation, Dall E 2, an AI system that can generate photorealistic images from simple text descriptions. In this video, we are going to explore what Dall E 2 is all about and how it could change the way we create and consume art. Dall E 2 is the successor to original Dall E system, which was introduced earlier in 2021. While the original Dall E could generate images from text descriptions, Dall E 2 takes it to the next level with higher resolution and greater comprehension. Let's take a look at how it works. Dall E 2 is trained on a massive dataset of images and their corresponding text descriptions. When you input a text description, Dall E 2 uses its deep learning algorithms to generate a photorealistic image that matches the description. As you can see on the screen, we have put a text description of a koala bear sitting on top of a bookshelf, and Dall E 2 has generated an image that matches the description perfectly. The possibilities are truly endless with Dall E 2. It can create anything from a robot painted like a Picasso to a monkey playing basketball. And the best part is that it can also realistically edit and retouch photos. With its in-painting feature, Dall E 2 can fill in or replace part of an image with AI-generated imagery that blends seamlessly with the original. This technology takes image editing to a whole new level and allows for endless creative possibilities. But Dall E 2 isn't just about creating art. It can also help us understand how advanced AI systems see and understand our world. Dall E 2 was created by training a neural network on images and text descriptions. Through deep learning, it not only understands individual objects like koala bears, monkeys, and motorcycles, but also learns from relationships between objects. This can help us better understand how AI systems perceive the world around us and how they could lead to exciting advancements in artificial intelligence in the near future. As with any technology, Dall E 2 does have its limitations. If it starts with objects that are incorrectly labeled, it may generate the wrong image, and if it hasn't learned what a certain object is, it may give you its best guess. But despite its limitations, Dall E 2 is an example of how humans and clever systems can work together to make new things and amplify our creative potential. It's not about replacing humans with machines, but rather using technology to enhance our abilities and push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Overall, Dall E 2 is an impressive image generation model that uses diffusion models and other techniques to generate highly realistic and semantically meaningful images. Who knows what the future of art could look like? So get ready to unleash your imagination and let Dall E 2 bring your wildest ideas to life. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.